guys, this is the famous Nathan Road of Hong Kong in Tsim Sha Tsui. We have the iSquare Shopping Center. Okay, see that crossing over there? Ayaw. Ako human. Okay. That is our hotel, Imperial Hotel. Over there, across the road. This is the straight Nathan Road here. Down there up to the last, where you can find all the cheap brands, affordable brands. And this is the famous Chongqing Mansion. See? Yeah. This crossing here in Nathan Road is just like the Shibuya crossing in Japan. A busy one. Right across the Chongqing Mansion. And the iSquare Shopping Center. Now guys, it's 5 p.m. So we're about to go to Ichiran for our dinner. Ichiran store. See you guys.